Hi, I'm Sujata, Mayuri's handy mom, and today I'm going to show you how to remove rust from anything and keep it away. I will be using this hammerhead as an example. For this, you will need plain white vinegar, salt, and a plastic bowl to soak the rusted item in. I soaked the hammerhead in a bowl filled with white vinegar along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt increases the potency of the vinegar. For the larger items, cover them with vinegar-soaked paper towels or old newspapers, making sure to fully saturate them with vinegar. Vinegar will simply loosen the rust from the metal. It could take anywhere from half an hour to a few hours depending upon the severity of the rust. Now, scrub and wash away the rust in running water if possible. If that's not possible, then wipe it away with wet rags. After letting the item dry fully, wipe it again with denatured alcohol. This will take care of any excess moisture. See how nice and clean the hammerhead is? To keep it from rusting again, I coated it with paste wax. You can also use machine oil or even spray lacquer if you want. It is just to create a protective shield on the surface to keep it from rusting again. So that's pretty much about it. I cleaned this hammerhead about 3 years ago and it still looks perfect with no sign of rust or anything, and I use it quite often. So which proves that this technique does work. Give it a try, or if you know of any other method, let me know in the comments down below and I will give that a try. A word of caution guys though, do not use this technique on valuables or on any delicate metal objects. Vinegar might just eat through the metal, doing more harm than good, so be careful. So come back tomorrow to see how I use this same technique to restore my drill press. Until then, take care.